guys, welcome back to my channel Hobby Well. This travel vlog is all about one of the best bird sanctuary of Karnataka called Gudavi Bird Sanctuary. Gudavi Bird Sanctuary is located in Sorba Taluk, Shivamogga district in the Indian state of Karnataka. Gudavi is located 16 kilometers from Sorba town on Banavasi road and is spread over 180 acres of land. There is a big lake around which a paved path has been laid out, and there are 3 to 4 watchtowers to have a closer look at the birds. As per the survey, there are over more than 200 species of birds are found at this place. Various avian species migrate from across the globe in different seasons for breeding. It serves as a popular destination in the region and inhabits various species of migratory birds. Birds like grey heron, night heron, Indian shag, Eurasian spoonbill, white ibis, jungle fowl, and many more species can be found here in Gudavi. Post-monsoon is the best time for visiting this bird sanctuary, that is from June to November. Overall, it's a beautiful place and one of the best bird sanctuary in Karnataka. Don't miss this picturesque destination on your visit to Malnad region. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. We'll see you guys with another exciting video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.